Hello, you guys. I am going to make a PowerPoint presentation today for my U.S. History 2111 class. I am basically going to be talking about the debate about the international boundary between the U.S. and Mexico and the role that played in the war is a topic for this assignment. So, the Mexican-American War was between the United States and Mexico. This happened between April of 1846 and lasted until February 1848. As everyone knows, it was won by the Americans or the United States. So basically, the United States gained a lot of property or land, or if you want to say square miles from from the Mexican territory. It covered from by the Rio Grande to the Pacific Ocean. This was how big the land was. The land was real big. Square footage miles was real big. It expanded its U.S. territory by 1/3. This now included new states like Arizona, Nevada, Utah, California, Texas, and Western Colorado. So we purchased this for like 15 million, and U.S. consumption of its citizens claims against Mexico. After the war between Mexico and the United States, there was a very big argument. There's an argument over did Texas end at the Nueces River, the Mexican claim, or did it end at the Rio Grande River, the U.S. claim. So let's take a look at the maps that I have prepared for you all on my PowerPoint for you. And basically my maps are going to show where the Rio Grande, where the rivers meet at and where they come together at. And it's a little short little PowerPoint that I just want to show y'all in my presentation. So if you will come a little bit further, I will start this presentation for you and we will start our slideshow. So, the maps that involve the Nueces River and the Rio Grande River by Chamberlain Merritt. Introduction. This is the introduction of the maps that I will be showing you of the Rio Grande River boundary and the Nueces River. Some of the major rivers in Texas are the Rio Grande, the Pecos Rivers, Nueces Rivers, and the Guadalupe River, but the longest river is the Rio Grande, which flows 1,896 miles. This is a map of the state of Kalalua in Texas, 1833. So in between here, I really wish I could blow it up. You will see where the Rio Grande River meets at, in between these lines right up in here. Okay. This is a map of the Emory map of Texas and the countries adjacent to it, 1844. Remember what I was saying, like some of the countries, like Arizona, Nevada, Utah, California. Some of these countries surround it. Okay. This is a map of Texas showing the grants and possession of the Colorado and Red River Land Company 1835. This is a picture of the big state of Texas, which we are talking about. The red and blue state, Texas. A lot of oil comes from Texas. This is a picture that's real pretty. I like the Rio Grande River boundary. It's real pretty. It shows you like around the areas of the Rio Grande River boundary. It's really pretty. Okay. President Abraham Lincoln. He was my he's gonna be my representative, state representative that I'm going to talk about shortly. That I picked that was for the Rio Grande River. Okay. And this is a map of the United States of America. And it's just, like I said, showing some of the places around Texas that the United States acquired while they was at during the Mexican War, which was Arizona, Nevada, Utah, California. These are some of the cities that we won from in the battles. Okay, the wars. Okay, in conclusion to the war that was going on, Mexico relinquished all claims to Texas and recognized the Rio Grande as the southern boundary with the United States. Okay, and this is a picture of my work cited, everything that we did. And so it was like, what advantages was your character's side trying to achieve by claiming that boundary? Which my representative that I picked was Abraham Lincoln. I said that the Rio Grande was the western boundary of Louisiana as it was purchased of France in 1803, where historical claims were added to justify one boundary versus the other. That the Republic of Texas always claimed the Rio Grande as her western boundary. If your side wins the dispute, what does your country plan to do with the territory? And President Abraham Lincoln thought that they would build the great state of Texas up with good manufacturing jobs. And this is the end of my presentation. Thank you.